I'm back. I'm going to be studying the blood system. So let's memorize this shit. Which is not a formed element of blood? Plasma. Bioconcave disc with no nuclei. That's red blood cells or erythrocyte cells. Allergic reaction, eosinophilocyte. Basophil. It's basophil. Got that wrong. Agranulocytes. Lymphocyte and something else. Monocytes and lymphocytes. Got that one wrong. Let me turn the fan down a little bit. Not granulocytes. Lymphocytes are not granulocytes. Lymphocytes? Which leukocyte has 60 to 70% total white blood cell count? So we're gonna go never let monkeys eat bananas, and that's neutrophils. Basophils release blank to improve blood flow to damaged tissue and blank to prevent unwanted blood clots. Basophils release histamine to improve blood flow to damaged tissues and heparin to prevent unwanted blood clots. Attack parasitic worms. This is eosinophils. Eosinophils. I got that wrong. Platelets secrete clotting faster. Thrombocytes. Platelets. Thrombocytes. Blood production. Hemopoiesis. I got that one wrong. Thrombocytes. Form platelet plugs. Got that wrong. The blank and blank start the process by releasing erythropoietin, EPO, in situations of hypoxia. I'm going to say liver and kidneys. Kidney and liver. Got that right. Blank is a medical condition characterized by abnormally low levels of oxygen in the blood, specifically in the arterial blood. That's not anemia, that's hypoxia. Oxygen-carrying hemoglobin is called oxyhemoglobin. Got that wrong. Oxyphy-deficient hemoglobin is deoxyhemoglobin. Yeah, got that one right. Red blood cells carrying molecules of carbon monoxide is what? Red blood cells carrying molecules of carbon monoxide is what? Carboxyhemoglobin. Red blood cell carrying molecules of carbon dioxide is what? Carbaminohemoglobin. No. Changes the shape of red blood cells. Isn't this sickle cell disease? Horrible disease. Hemoglobin is broken down to heme and globin. Plasma dissolves the now unnecessary blood clot in a process called thrombosis. Fibrinolysis. Sorry. Antibodies are dissolved proteins in plasma that react to foreign antigens in a process called agglutination. I'm saying that wrong. Universal recipients and can receive red blood cells from any other type of blood. This is AB positive. Okay, that one's correct. Universal donors and their red blood cells can be given to any other blood type. Universal donors. This is O negative. What are the functions of the blood? What are the functions of the blood? It's 3. It's protect, transport, protect, communicate, I don't know. Transport, protect, regulate. Got that one wrong. Normal level of hematocrit, 45%. I got that one right. Liquid to solid, liquid to salt freezing. Solid to liquid is melting. Liquid to gas is evaporation. Gas to liquid is condensation. Solid to gas is deposition. I don't know. Sublimation, and then that means okay. So solid to gas is sublimation, and gas to solid is deposition. I got both these wrong. Now we are gonna do something. We're turning them the other way around. Plasma is I have no idea. Plasma is not formed element of blood. Plasma, not formed element of blood. Got that one wrong. Red blood cell. Biconcave disc with no nuclei. Lymphocytes. Not granulocytes. Lymphocytes are not granulocytes. They're agulocytes. I don't remember. Lymphocytes. They're not granulocytes though. I know that. Neutrophil is the largest amount of white blood cells. Which leukocyte has 670 total white blood cells? Yeah, so largest amount. Got that one right. Histamine and heparin. Basophils release histamine. Basophils release histamine to improve blood flow to damaged tissues, and heparin to prevent unwanted blood clots. Thrombocytes are platelets. Platelets secrete clotting factors. That's thrombocytes. Thrombocytes again. Platelets. I got that one right. Kidneys and the liver. The kidneys and liver start the process by releasing erythropoietin, EPO, in situations of hypoxemia. So hypoxemia needs the kidney and the livers to start the process of releasing EPO in situations of it. Got that wrong. Hypoxemia, which is like, hypoxemia is not enough oxygen in the blood, I think. Is a medical condition characterized by abnormally low levels of oxygen in the blood. Got that one right. Deoxyhemoglobin. That means there's no oxygen in the blood. Not enough oxygen in the blood. Hemoglobin. So, not enough oxygen in the hemoglobin. Oxygen deficient hemoglobin, yeah. Sickle cell disease changes the shape of a red blood cell. Hemoglobin together is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is broken down to hemoglobin, yeah. So. AB positive is the universal recipient. 45% is the normal level of hematocrit. Freezing is liquid to solid. Melting is solid to liquid. Evaporation is liquid to gas. Condensation is gas to liquid. Sublimation is solid to gas. And deposition is gas to solid. Transport, protect, and regulate are the functions of the blood. O negative is the universal donor. Agglutination is The antibodies are dissolved proteins in plasma that react to foreign antigens in a process. Okay. Agglutination is antibodies that are dissolved proteins in plasma that react to foreign antigens. That's going to take me a while to remember. Fibrinolysis is plasmin dissolves the now unnecessary blood clot in a process called fibrinolysis. Plasma dissolves the now necessary blood clot. That's wrong. Carbaminohemoglobin. So this has something to do with the hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide in the hemoglobin. Red blood cell carrying molecules of carbon dioxide, not monoxide. This is carbon dioxide, so I got that one wrong. Carboxyhemoglobin. This is carbon monoxide in the hemoglobin. Yeah. Right. Oxyhemoglobin is oxygen in the hemoglobin. Oxygen carrying hemoglobin is called, oxyhemoglobin. Form platelet plugs. This is thrombocytes. Yeah. Hemopoiesis is blood production. That's booty? No, this is blood. Eosinophils attack parasitic worms. Monocytes and lymphocytes are agranulocytes. Agranulocytes are monocytes and lymphocytes. Basophil, allergic reaction. Basophil, allergic reaction. So, let's see. I think they might be the same. Maybe this one a little bigger. It's about 50-50 stuff I need to learn.